Welcome back. In the previous video we had learned about string methods and string functions. Today we will learn about string indexing and string slicing. So let's begin. So guys, I've defined a string called string variable equals to this is a Python string. So now let us learn what are string indexing and string slicing. In Python, always the string starts from the index value of 0, or any object generally starts from the index value of 0 in Python. So in this case, this is 0, then t is 1, 2, 3 respectively. So it always starts from 0 in Python. So for example, I say variable, okay? Then you put a square bracket and we write 0 to 5 as an example. And then I press enter. Can you see it only prints out this? Now what is this 0 is to 5 or 0 to 5? So 0 to 5 is it prints the first character here, that is 0, then 1 here, then 2 here, then 3 here, then 4 here, and then 5 here. But remember guys, it stops here itself because the higher digit here 5 is not counted. So basically it goes from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the values which it will print from the string. So here you can see I had a space. So space is also included in the string indexing for taking it into account. Now for example, I say print string variable and I say let's say 0 to 12. And then I close the brackets. So can you see it showed me this is a P because the 12th or the 11th index value alphabet is P and it ends there. As an example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here it will end at P at the 11th index position. So therefore till this is a P is printed out from the string variable. So this is all about string indexing. So here you can put different types of values, 0 is to 5 or 2 is to 3 or different things so that you can get different parts of the string. For example, if I say print 5 is to 12, here you can see it starts from the 5th character or the 5th index position and it prints to the 11th index position. Now let me show you a cool trick with string slicing and indexing. So, for example, you want to print the 5 is to 12 or 5 to 11 basically, which we had just printed, but you don't want to print every character. You want to iterate over 3 characters each time. For example, you want to print the first character, then leave 3 characters, then print. Then again leave 3 characters, then print. Then again leave 3 characters, then print. So that's also possible and I'll show you how. If I say print var 1 and then in the bracket I give 2 is to 10 is to 3 as an example, it will start from the second index position, that is 0, 1, 2. It starts from here and then it will print till the 10th index position, but it will leave every 2 characters. So here you can see it starts from I, then it leaves these 2 characters, then it comes here, then again it leaves these 2 characters, then it prints T. So basically you can iterate or jump over characters by using the third parameter here in the ratio. Basically this is 2 is to 10 is to 3 or 2 to 10 by leaving 3 spaces each. That's how it is defined basically. So that's it guys about string slicing and indexing, and that wraps up our video for today. In the next video we'll learn about lists and list indexing. So make sure you check that video out soon. Until then, bye, and I'll see you in another awesome video. And if you want to see more of such amazing content, make sure to subscribe, like and share. And I'll see you in another awesome video. Until then, bye.